finally dito sa car show sa Diliman Revel, si Miss Rica. Magandang hapon po. Afternoon, good afternoon. Okay, so paano ka nagsimula nga mag-interesado sa mga kotse sa pag-audition?
Actually, I started last 2010. Nakuha ko siya natin 2010. But yung pagkahilig ko kasi sa car, this was way back nung bata. So parang, ever since I was young, parang I wanted to be a race car driver, parang ganyan. Tapos yun nga, I got a chance to ride with the car. So talaga siyang influence na sa binira yung female driver niya. Talaga yung influence ng car.
Tapos, so far naman, okay na yung experience. Okay, so this is your first time to join us on our show?
Yes, this is my first time. Kakalabas nga lang ng kotse ko from the paint shop. Yun, hopefully, sana madalo ng award. Kahit isa lang.
And tell us more about your car. Was it something?
My car is a Honda City 99 model NXI. Yung original color niya, blue. Tapos yung kotse ngayon, color ko. Kasi favorite color ko siya. Tapos, yung kotse so far, paint, bumper, intake, headers, track bar, tapos full exhaust. Alam so far. So far yung pala.
And what's your message to all the
To all the female soon to be car enthusiasts. So, basta huwag kayong matatakot. Kasi syempre, all boys lang parate yung nagpo-boys ng car. So, basta huwag kayong matakot. Kung talagang gusto nyo, alam mo yun, pag-ipunan nyo din tapos do your best. Kung ano man yung trip nyo sa car nyo, okay lang yun. Kung lalaki, okay lang din yun. And yun, let me just take this opportunity na lang. Kasi Honda Filia for the car event and Honda Club.
Yan naman nasa kanya. Kasi ko rin kabisali full name. Sorry ah.